If you experience a power cut in your home, it could be caused by a faulty appliance. If a faulty appliance is used, your fuse box will cut the electricity supply for your safety, which is known as tripping. You will find the fuse box in a cupboard near your front door, or in the hallway if you live in a flat. If everything is working normally, the fuse switches will all be in the on position, as shown. If an appliance has caused the electricity to trip, one of the switches will be in the off position. This could be a whole room or a single built-in appliance, like the oven or shower, identified by labels on the switches. If a room's sockets have tripped, you will need to find out which of your appliances is causing the problem. Unplug everything in the room and flip the switch back on. Then, plug one of the appliances back in and return to the fuse box to see if this has tripped the switch. If not, try the next appliance and repeat the process until you find the appliance that causes the trip. This will be the faulty appliance. Unplug the appliance and flip the switch back on. Then either repair the appliance or dispose of it responsibly. If you need to contact a member of staff or report a repair, please call Wales and West Housing on 0800 052 2526 or visit our website at www.wwha.co.uk, where you can report a repair online.